is very important to know this. On the monthly time frame, we are bearish. On the EUR/USD, from the monthly time frame, we are bearish. It's important for us to notice lower lows, lower highs, simple and short. Now, the reason why we are rejecting off of a midpoint and not off of these levels you can see from above, is because these areas are weekly areas as well, right? These prices that the market is rejecting from, they are weekly areas, right? So for example, right here, as you can see on the left hand side right here, this is a double top, and you can see we've basically formed another double top around that same price, right? 185.000, right? Around that same price, you can see we have the same, so what I'm saying is this: if you read the candlestick Bible, you would see that it says the same thing. These areas are less of support and resistance, they are more of turning point areas, right? These prices are turning points, meaning the price can get there at any time and reverse even without it hitting your overall areas of reversals in the markets, right? So on the monthly time frame, we are very structural wise, and I'll show you what I'm saying. Most people would see the markets go up like this and then think it's bullish. No, we are very much bearish. It's simple for you to understand, right? How do I know that? Lower low, and we are creating lower highs. The moment the market breaks above this high right here, the moment it breaks above this lower high right here, then it becomes bullish. Until then, we are bearish. And the moment on the weekly time frame or on the daily time frame, the market tends to give us a reversal signal off of our turning point that was above here, then I'll start looking for sales. Until then, I was not trading the real USD. I like to trade the best pairs. It is very, very important. Over time, that's the thing about trading, right? And the thing about life too. Everything will show itself over time. Trading will show itself over time. You're not going to become a profitable trader in your next 10 trades. No. Over a long period of time, you would collect the results and see that, oh, you've been, either taking the best trades, or your win rate is 50-50 or 60-40, something like that, but it shows itself over time. So you may trade a B plus setup, or a setup you're not supposed to be trading, and you may win the trade, or take a profit, but it still does not mean that you're the best. It still does not mean that that's the best you could be, because it needs to show itself over time, right? So moving forward, right?